This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, April 27th. Starting out with the stock index futures, we are seeing some gains today. Some of this linked to the tax proposals put forth by the Trump administration yesterday. Also, we are ignoring the weaker than expected durable goods report. Actually, somewhat of a surprise, not quite as good as some had anticipated, and yet stock index futures putting in a good performance today, suggesting that further gains are likely. Also, the long-term trend still appears to be bullish for all of the indices. Of course, we just had some new historical highs in the NASDAQ, so nothing changing in our long-term view on stock index futures. The main trend is still higher. Now, moving over to the currencies, seeing the dollar coming under some pressure earlier, however, some strength more recently. This after European Central Bank President Mario Draghi indicating that the accommodation in the Eurozone will continue for a while. So from an interest rate differential point of view, that tended to undermine the euro currency and support the dollar index. Longer term though, we do feel that the dollar index has topped as interest rate differentials overall are no longer as favorable to the dollar as they had been last year. Interest rate futures markets not putting in a good performance with the bonds lower, even though they should have been higher with the durable goods report coming in on the weak side. So that could be viewed as a sign of weakness for the bonds. Also, the gold and silver holding up relatively well, even though there has been some flight to quality long liquidation in light of the geopolitical issues, even though remaining not quite as intense as they had been. Longer term, we feel that gold and silver have the most bullish fundamentals, and we are anticipating new highs for the move in both gold and silver, I would say within the next month or so, as inflation continues to be an issue, and the charts according to what we're seeing also look very supportive. So gold and silver continue to be our favorite longs for the next few months, probably for the balance of this year. So good trading, everyone. Once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.